The Axial Age, starting from the 7th century BC, was a time of incredible intellectual and spiritual growth. It witnessed the birth of profound religious and philosophical ideas that shaped civilizations across the globe. In China, Confucianism emphasized the importance of ethics and social harmony. India saw the rise of Buddhism and Jainism, promoting compassion and nonviolence. Persia embraced Zoroastrianism, a faith centered around the battle between good and evil. Ancient Egypt gave birth to monotheism and Judaism. And in ancient Greece, Socrates and Plato laid the foundations of philosophy as we know it today. During this time, the world also witnessed remarkable architectural achievements. The ancient Egyptians built the awe-inspiring Great Pyramid of Giza, a testament to their advanced civilization. The Bronze Age, part of the Three-Era system, marked a significant period in the development of ethics and saw the rise of city systems. Civilizations flourished in fertile areas along river basins like the Tigris-Euphrates in Mesopotamia, the Nile in Egypt, the Indus in India, and the Yellow River in China. These eras were pivotal in shaping the course of human history, laying the groundwork for the societies we live in today. From profound philosophical ideas to awe-inspiring architectural wonders, the Axial Age and the Bronze Age left an indelible mark on civilization. It's fascinating to explore how these ancient cultures thrived and evolved, and how their ideas continue to influence us even today.
ขอบคุณที่รับชมกดไลค์กดติดตามกดแชร์ด้วยนะคะ